Hi, I'm Kendrick. We're cooking for love today. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. I'm Kathleen Hall with the Mindful Living Network. So, is this kind of a melancholy, sweet day or time for you and our
It
mothers?
really is. It is. We have wonderful mothers, and since they're not here anymore, we're
Yes.
thinking of ways to help other women
Yes.
celebrate with their mothers.
Oh, and it doesn't have to be mothers. It can be sisters.
Right.
It can be best friends. It can be, we need to celebrate.
Mother-in-laws.
And all of us mother in different ways.
Yes.
Nowadays, a lot of people have pets.
Yes.
So they've got fur babies.
That's right.
So when you're a mother of all
That's right.
of this.
And girlfriends and daughter-in-laws.
Absolutely.
So lots of ways.
But use it a time to celebrate the feminine divine, the
Yes.
mothering,
Yes.
the divine mother
Absolutely.
that's in all of us. And we're going to do something today, a perfect thing to take your friend, mother, whomever that female is, in bed. Taking breakfast in bed.
Breakfast in bed.
Just because it never happened to me, Jim,
That's
my
right.
husband, wherever you are out there, and my daughters, I hope you're going to see this,
It's the
because
right
it
thing to do.
never happened to me. But we're going to pretend it did. And I have no hostile feelings, by the way.
You know, it's so funny because our mothers have always done the right things for us, and isn't it time you do the right things
I
for
took
them?
my mother breakfast in bed. Go ahead, excuse me,
So-
I'm going to calm down.
This is so easy to do that I'm going to go ahead and do it while we're talking
And
to
if
you
you
right
could
now.
smell this kitchen.
It is so wonderful.
And what is that bread? It's beautiful.
It is brioche.
Oh.
It is so divine.
Mm.
What I love about brioche is it's very light
Mm.
and it's
Got an eggy kind of a yellowy,
it
though.
does.
It doesn't look real
it
white.
does. It does. It's very nice. And the dough that I am using has a little bit of has cinnamon in it. It has nutmeg in it, and of course I have eggs
Is that
in
what
it.
that smell is?
It is amazing. I just love it. And so I'm going to let that cook while we talk a little bit.
Yes, and may I see what this says too? Okay, I think this is one of my favorite sayings. You're exceeding the limits of my medication. Okay. I don't know why I love this so much, but you know, I have all kinds of
All kinds
interesting
of things, I know.
hand claws in our kitchen.
Exactly. Now, a little bit more about this. This is so wonderful. It cooks very quickly. It has 4 eggs. It has sugar. It has extract in it, and you're going to just absolutely love
Oh,
it.
I can't wait. I just can't wait. Who doesn't love French toast?
Absolutely.
Yes, and it's going to be a surprise to whoever gets it because at my age of life, I'm still waiting. Still waiting. Tick tock, tick tock. The
Here
drip
we
of
go.
water. The seasons change.
Here we go. It's so beautiful on top
It
of
is
it.
so
I
beautiful.
don't know if you can see it. And take a look over there.
Oh, yes. So
That's what we
here's
have.
one that's pre-made while she's flipping that one. And it absolutely looks delicious. And all French toasts are not equal.
No, they're not.
They're not equal because if you could smell this.
Well, and what I love about this too is it doesn't have flour in it.
Oh,
So many
I didn't
of
notice
them
that.
have processed ingredients in it, and this is one that anybody could make.
Oh, wow.
So, I mean, really, it has, I think, like 6 ingredients in it. It does have milk, but if you're lactose intolerant, you could probably do almond milk
Oh,
or something
absolutely.
like that.
Yeah.
Something very
Soy milk,
simple.
anything you wanted to use.
Absolutely. And I think that is it. Also, we love to use maple syrup, which, of course, is Canadian, like my husband. And
We had to use
we were-
Canadian because of
I know.
Paul.
I know. Now, you know what we were talking about earlier too. What is a lot of fun is maple syrup has a little bit of a bitterness to it
Oh.
instead of being
never
so
noticed
sweet
that.
like the Caro syrup. So since this has a lot of sweetness to it, I think that's going to be a nice flavor to go with this. So let's go ahead and see how this tastes. Give this a little. See what you think. And try a little. Let's try a little of this and see what
May
you
I have the
think.
butter, please?
You may. Try a little of this. See what
I'm
you
a
think.
little butter girl.
Well, you may have a little butter.
I may not eat butterball cookie, but I'm a little butterball girl. Oh,
Let's
yum,
try this.
yum.
See
Is
what
there
you
anything
think.
like real French butter?
No, there's not.
Okay, Irish butter is okay, and I happen to be Irish, but there's nothing like French butter.
Mm-hmm.
How?
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
Mm.
My God.
This is the way to spend Mother's Day. This is what your mother needs.
Oh, my God.
Please
is
try this. We're going to put this
absolutely
on the website.
amazing.
I hope you will try it. Thank you so much for being with us on Kendrick. We're cooking for love.
And before we leave, I'm
Take
going
us.
to even show you. This is in case my children are watching and my husband.
This
is how you do breakfast in bed, kids. Go like this.
And just like this.
Bring it like this. Isn't this beautiful?
Breakfast
So
in
then
bed.
it won't slide off for your kids or whoever takes it up. Or, if your husband has some
Breakfast in
drinking
bed.
problems or other stuff, it won't slide anywhere. Anyway,
Happy Mother's Day.
happy Mother's Day. Kathleen Hall, have a great day.
Bye.